Hello, and welcome to the English podcast for beginners. This is Lovely, and I am so glad you are here today. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. Today, we are going to talk about something important, something everyone knows. We will talk about change. Change. It is a simple word, but it holds a big feeling. Sometimes change is happy, like a new job or a new season. But sometimes change is difficult. It makes the future feel uncertain or unknown. If you sometimes feel confused or worried about the future, please stay with me. We will talk about how to think about change in a helpful way. Change is a natural part of life. Think about the seasons. Spring changes to summer, and summer changes to winter. This change is normal. Our lives are like that too. Everything changes. Our jobs change, our friends change, and we change. But when we do not know what will happen next, we often feel worried. This feeling is called uncertainty. Uncertainty means the future is not clear. It is normal to dislike uncertainty. Our mind likes things to be predictable. Our mind wants to know the plan. When there is no clear plan, we can feel stressed or confused. So how do we live well in an uncertain world? We must first remember one key idea. Change happens to everyone. You are not alone. When things are changing quickly, try this idea. Stop looking far into the future. Stop looking 10 years ahead. Instead, look at today. Look at the small steps you can take right now. Think of it like walking up a very big hill. You cannot see the top yet. If you only look at the top, you might feel too tired to start. But if you look only at the path for the next 5 steps, those 5 steps feel easy. When you're facing a big change, ask yourself, what small step can I take today? A small step could be drinking a glass of water. A small step could be finishing one easy task at work. A small step could be listening to 5 minutes of this English podcast. These small steps give you control. They remind you that even when the world is uncertain, you can still decide what to do next. You can always decide to take a small step forward. Another important idea about change is this. Change creates growth. Change helps us to grow. When you are learning English, it is a big change, right? It feels difficult at first. You learn new words. Sometimes you forget those words. But after you work hard, your mind grows stronger. You know more words than before. That difficult process helped you grow. Change often brings new skills that we didn't know we needed. If you lose a job, that's a difficult change, but that change might help you find a better, happier job or start your own company. The difficult feeling helps you search for something better. If you move to a new country, it's scary and new, but that change teaches you how to be brave. It teaches you how to speak up, even when your English is simple. Every change, even a difficult change, is a teacher. It teaches you something new about yourself. It teaches you how strong you truly are. Let's quickly summarize our message today. The world is always changing. This is normal. This change makes the future feel uncertain. But we can be brave when the world changes. We do this by focusing on small steps. Small steps today, not big steps tomorrow. Small steps help us feel calm and strong. And remember that change means growth. Every change is an opportunity to learn. It is an opportunity to become a better, smarter, and stronger person. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember to be kind to yourself as you navigate change and keep taking those small steps. We are all learning and growing together. I hope you have a wonderful and calm day. Goodbye for now, and I will talk to you soon.